Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. This is a very crucial video update for everyone to watch. We're going to be going over, I'll go over a price prediction, guys, that is honestly super bearish that I probably don't think most of you guys are looking at. And if it does play out, Ethereum actually goes negative. What's up with that? I will be showing that to you guys. We're going to be going over the FOMC meeting that is taking place today, as well as moving into tomorrow. Are we going to get a 75 basis point hike, or are we going to 100? That's going to play into it. We're also going to be going over and recovering an article that Jake did the other day. Basically, Bitcoin exchange inflows see biggest one-day spike since March 2020. Guys, what happened last time was not good for Bitcoin, and the spikes that we've seen have actually correlated to some movements down. So has that already been priced in? We're going to talk about that in today's video. We're going to take this even further. We ended up coming out with a poll, and we asked people, do you believe, out of 1,600 people, guys, do you believe Bitcoin's going to hit $10,000? And 30% said 100% they believe, and I'll leave it there, and we'll dive into this. Okay, guys, first things first, let's talk about this. The FOMC meeting is today and tomorrow. I'm going to wrap this up, basically just get to the point here. A 75 basis point hike itself won't rattle the market, is what some people are saying, because it's already what's called factored in or quote-unquote baked in. They add, however, if it is more than 75 basis points, and it goes to 100, we could be seeing this become a pretty bearish market. A bearish market would obviously bring probably S&P 500 down, but the interesting part about this, guys, is Bitcoin is sitting at a very strong level of the whole number of $19,000 right now. If this support is broken here, we're probably going to see a fast move back down, and we're going to be looking to get back into trades for scalping trades, as well as to start accumulating more. And we are going to be using the top and bottom finder for the next buy signal if this thing absolutely crashes. So, quick update on this. If you guys have been following us, we actually just ended up closing a scalping trade yesterday for 3.5%. I want to bring all this into relativity here. The S&P 500 going into FOMC meeting is down about 20% from the beginning of the year. If you guys are scalping with us, we are 440% more than the S&P 500 based off 10% returns per year. Factor in how much we're down, guys, we're over 600% more profit than the S&P 500. So if you guys are like, look, I need a place where I can trade confidently, quote unquote, we are literally calling scalping trades out here. We've never lost a scalping trade. And all we're doing, guys, we are literally only charging $75 a month. Like, we are dedicated to call trades out for you. So what would it look like, guys, to spend 75 bucks, we'll call all the trades out for you, and we've never lost a scalping trade, and we literally were up for 3 hours yesterday staring at the charts to get you guys out with 3.5% profit. We exited, and the trade tanked all the way back down to the break even, actually a little bit lower right now as I record this video. So we are dedicated to get you guys into the best trades. Definitely snag that. Let's continue here with this prediction, because I'm going to eventually come over here and show you guys how to set up alerts on the top and bottom finder to get into this market if we absolutely tank, because it is literally called the bottom of Bitcoin over here. It called the bottom of Bitcoin. Let me circle this real quick for you guys so you can see this. The bottom of Bitcoin over here before the move up. Before the move up over here. It also called the bottom here before I move up. It called the exact bottom here before we saw the pump, and we just got a buy signal over here. What's going to happen? We'll take a look at this. I want to point your attention over here, talking about the Bitcoin exchange inflows. What is an inflow? Why does money move into an exchange? The overall theory behind this is people move money into an exchange to actually end up selling their cryptocurrency, okay? If it's not on the exchange, it's usually in a wallet somewhere, and it's probably earning some staking rewards, or they're just holding it there. Money moving back into the exchange has seen a decrease here. We saw this spike over here in the market as Bitcoin was dropping, and the price continued to drop. Interesting. We saw an increase of inflows into exchange volume-wise. We saw a drop in Bitcoin. Interesting, guys. We are seeing a drop in Bitcoin because money's flowing back into the exchange. Overall, this is actually a pretty bearish sentiment in the market. All right, let me take you guys now to a price prediction that I don't think you guys are viewing on the charts that really needs to be watched here. We're going to compare this on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It does not look good on Ethereum, by the way. And then at the end of the video, real quick intermission here, I will show you guys how to get literally 53% off our top and bottom finder. There's not a better metric in the market to call tops and bottoms. So if you guys want to cheat and go to the description of this video, you guys will actually end up getting 82% off our trend exhaustion, price as well money flow, and then 53% off, literally $400 off. But I'll cover that in just 1 second. Here's what I want you guys to be watching. Actually, we're going to pop this up here because I want to play this into account here. What we're seeing on Bitcoin is we're in a descending channel. We've got a low, a high, a lower low, and a lower high formation that we created, okay? High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, looking to potentially push down to a lower low formation. If this plays out with the same angle and I would say the same aggressiveness, we potentially could see Bitcoin moving down to this area right around this mark. Well, where does that put us, guys? It literally puts us right around the mark. I would say probably about $5,000. To some people, that's kind of scary. But if you look at the overall trend here and you just take a look at the aggressiveness of selling, and then just move back down, guys, just a simple 3-touch, which is very common in stocks, cryptos, and Forex. This puts Bitcoin down here at about, honestly, $4,000 to $5,000. That's pretty scary. Okay, it gets a little crazier if you look at Ethereum. Take a look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame over here. We've got the merge, which obviously saw a drop, and we got the FOMC meeting mocked up here. If we take a look at the high, the low, the lower high, lower low, lower high, if we start moving back down, guys, simply, again, a 1, 2, 3 touch on Ethereum, this is not possible. This literally puts us down here at negative $268. Let's say the best thing happened if we are going to crash and we literally go straight down. That puts us at $74. How do you interpret this? I wasn't really sure. So I actually wanted to get people's feedback on this. Okay, what is the community? What does the world think of this? So here's what we did. We actually ran a study, and I want to show you guys the results. What do majority of retail traders think is going to happen? Is Bitcoin going to crash to $10,000? Or are we actually going to start seeing moves back up? Here are the results. Out of 1,600 people that actually participated in this vote here, people who believed 100% that we are going down to $10,000, that was 30% of people. I don't know if that's staggering to you or not, but I found that very interesting. Take a look at this down here. Greater than 80% chance, 19% of people. So we can say, based off this vote, based off retail traders, we have about a 49% of people believe that we have an 80% chance or higher that we are going down to $10,000. If you guys take a look at where $10,000 is right now, where we're currently sitting, and we just drop this down to 10,000, which is right down here, are you guys ready for your account to be down another 50%? 47.96. Can you guys lose 50% of your account? I will show you at the end of the video where my account is currently sitting and how I'm going to play this out here. Okay, look at this down here. Less than 50% chance, 37% people say there's less than a 50% chance we're going to head down to 10,000. I thought this was kind of interesting. 14% of people say no, 0% chance. We head up from here. By the way, since we released this, the price has gone down overall since we released this. Looking at this, we can gauge the sentiment. I would say this is a little bit more bearish than it is bullish as we take the extremes of 100% going down and 0% chance of going down and we just head up from here. We have more people looking bearish. So overall, gauging the sentiment of retail traders, I think it looks a little bit more bearish than bullish. Here's the deal, guys. If the FOMC mini comes out and we go to 100 basis point hike, that's higher than the baked in amount of 75 basis points. I do believe that could push Bitcoin down pretty fast, break the 19,000 support, and we could be going down. Here's what everybody needs to be doing with the top and bottom finder. We need to be setting up the next alert for the buy signal, okay? What I want everyone to do is come over here and click top and bottom finder, go to buy. I want you guys to do BTC buy signal. I want you guys to create this. And then I want you guys to come over here again, and I want you guys to do a strong buy. So top and bottom finder, I want you to do strong buy, once per bar close, BTC strong buy. Now that you guys have that coded in here, literally into your exchange, by the way, we added webhooks, so if you guys want to automatically trade, where literally this indicator will place trades for you on your exchange through what's called a webhook, we have that integrated in, so feel free to do that, because people are literally doing amazing with this indicator, because there's not another indicator that's called the tops and bottoms better than this, literally calling the tops, tops, bottoms, bottoms. What we did yesterday, let me wrap this up here now, and I'll get you guys into that crazy discount. Here's what I've done with my account. We are currently exposed to the market about 52%. 52, 53, and we've got about 47% that is still in cash. What I've done for you guys, because I'm heavily invested in these top 8 coins here, is I went in here and I showed you guys exactly where my break even is, because we have 50% exposed to the market. So out of the 50,000, we have about 25,000 exposed. And where would the price have to fall to come to 50,000, which is break even? That's what I want to show you guys. So here's our break even price on Bitcoin. Take a look at Ethereum, and remember we have 50% exposed to the market. So I truly believe, guys, right now, and we've got a decent way to move down on some of these coins to hit break even again. And why are we down here? It's because we've done so well using the top and bottom finder, guys, to get in and out of these markets. We've accumulated more than $5,000. So that's why it's so low down here. So we're in the profit. So this is really good. I wanted to drive this point home, guys. I truly believe we could be seeing another leg down in the crypto market where we could be targeting some lows. And I hope we don't hit $5,000. But what I'm going to be doing, as I just put a lot in yesterday, the next time, if we do see a crash on the FOMC meeting, I'm going to be looking for the next strong buy or the next buy to come out on the Bitcoin or Ethereum charts for the top and bottom finder, and we are going to be dumping a whole lot more money in. We're probably going to be exposed to probably about 60 to maybe 70% in the market. Definitely set that up. Trend exhaustion low here very quickly. Trend exhaustion low on the daily time frame. I do think this has momentum to push us back up. Well money flow high. This is so interesting, guys, because well money flow, people are actually purchasing into the market right now. I'll show you one more stat. I'll show you what long trades are doing on Ethereum. Like this, I just want this to be a crazy update video for you guys so you get everything. Well money flow heading in here, guys, shows that there's actually people buying into the market on this dip. And the trend exhaustion being low, I would actually say, if I had to make my personal opinion here, I think we're actually going to start seeing more of a market turnaround here, but a lot is going to be based on the FOMC meeting tomorrow. So you guys have to watch that, and Jake's going to cover it. Let me take you guys to even another point of data here. Let's take a look to see what's happening with long trades on Ethereum. Watch this, guys. When long trades ended up dropping out of the market over here on Bitfinex, we ended up seeing a correlation where price action was moving up and long trades were moving out. We ended up seeing a drop. When we saw the price action actually dipping out over here, we actually saw long trades entering into the market to buy the dip, and we saw a market turnaround. Here's the thing I'm observing here. Price going down here, guys, we are actually seeing long trades enter into the market for Ethereum, looking kind of like a bullish sentiment going into the FOMC meeting. So if, guys, this is saying long trades are heading into the market, we're at very strong support. We've got buy signals on the top and bottom finder. And if the FOMC meeting, guys, comes out and it is stationary at a 75 basis point hike, and it does not go below 75 or goes above to 100 points, making it bearish, then I think we could be seeing a decent market turnaround, and we could be seeing some nice profits enter back into the market. With all that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me get you guys into a $400 discount on the top and bottom finder, because this is what you guys need to be watching. I'll make it really fast here. What you guys want to do is head over to our website. There's a link in the description. Click on indicators. The link will take you directly there. It's pinned to the first comment of this YouTube video as well. Everybody, you guys need the bundle pack. The bundle pack will give you guys the trend exhaustion as well as the price versus well money flow. We do not enter trades or exit trades without that. You are going to get 9 indicators in our bundle pack. It's 82% off, an incredible deal. If anybody hearing my voice right now has purchased this in the past, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we will just email you the 53% off coupon code for the top and bottom finder. So everybody, purchase the bundle pack today. You'll get lifetime access, source codes included. Right after purchase, you will get a PDF called Surprise Gift, and it has a 53% off coupon code. Take that 53% off coupon code, click right here. This is the exact page you guys are going to see, and I want you guys to click I want this. Enter the coupon code right here, and you guys will literally get $400 off the top and bottom finder. This is the most accurate metric we have ever found in the market. It does not use any oscillators and has been the most accurate to predict Bitcoin tops and bottoms literally to the exact candle top before it moves back down. You guys want a huge edge? Get the indicator. You guys want to take scalping trades with us and do literally over 600% more in the S&P 500? Get a membership. The 2 things you guys should do today, and I'm passionate about this, okay, guys? It is literally, I'll come back over here and I'll go back to the website. It is making sure you guys come over here, get the indicators, the bundle pack, and then get the top and bottom finder. That will give you a huge edge metric-wise. And then come over here and follow us in our scalping trades. You're going to get a membership where we call it all the scalping trades for you, as well as an indicator, a metric that is the best in the crypto industry for calling tops and bottoms. Let's go into fourth quarter, guys. Let's make some more money, and let's do really well before Christmas gets here, and we'll have an amazing fourth quarter. God bless you guys. Everything you need is linked in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Access is immediate for the bundle pack, and we'll give you guys access for the top and bottom finder today. So let's do this, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.